In this video, we are going to show you how to replace your front license plate bracket. The first thing you would want to do would be to remove your front license plate. That can generally easily be done by removing two mounting screws that hold the license plate to the bracket. After you have the license plate out of the way, you'll find that you have two more 10mm headed screws holding the bracket to the bumper. Remove the pair. There it is, friends. Now it's time to install your license plate bracket. Put it in place. Line up both of your mounting bolt holes and then start in each of your mounting bolts. After you have each of the bolts started in, you can snug them up. Now at this point, you'd want to safely secure your license plate to the bracket. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.